How come sometimes names appear on the Route Detail tab when I save a new document, but not always? What are predefined routes? Well, whether names appear on the Route Detail tab will depend on if there is a predefined route for that particular doc type. So for example, if I open up, create a new drawings document and maybe fill some things in and then save it, you'll notice that the Route Detail tab stays the same. There's only one person on there. It's the person who created the document in the first place in a sequence 1. Any other routees would need to be added manually, and there are ways to do that, which I covered in another video. But automatically there's nothing there. Now that's different than a doc type that does have a predefined route. I have an example here as a punch list. So when I create this punch list, I'm going to open this up and maybe I would fill in some things and then click the save icon here. Suddenly there are route details, there are names in the route details tab here. This has come from the predefined route, and I'll show you what that looks like in a second. So if you do that and suddenly have names there, that means that somebody has set up this predefined route to fill in automatically so that you don't have to fill in names at all. All right, let's take a look at where this was set up. Predefined routes are set up in the Manage dashboard, so you do need to have either a system admin permission or at least permission to get into the Manage dashboard into the Routes tool right here. And they are set up by doc type. And if we take a look at this punch list predefined route, you'll see that it is actually set up by roles. So this will have different names depending on which project it's on, and that is based on the team members for that project who have these particular roles. And those names will be filled in for that particular document. And you can have more than one doc type have the same exact routing. Okay, so if you don't have permission to do these things, don't worry about it. Just know that if you have names that suddenly appear on your route, that it is totally okay, and that means that somebody has set up that to happen automatically, so you don't need to add names manually.